Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How much does the Kia K5 cost? The 2021 K5 has a starting price of $23,590, which is in line with most competitors in the mid-size car class. However, starting prices for the higher K5 trims, like the X, MSRP, $28,090, and the GT, MSRP, $30,590, are below average compared to most rivals' top trims. 2 April 2021.
Let's help you make your mark.
2018 Kia Stinger GT. The 2018 Kia Stinger GT is the first model in the new line, and it's also captured the title of the fastest Kia in production. The car accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.9 seconds with a top speed of 167 miles per hour. The Stinger GT is powered with a choice of 2 engines.
Take our lead.
The all-new 2021 Kia K5 is a great replacement for the popular Kia Optima. It drives better, looks bolder, and rewards families with passenger room. While the base powertrain is more than adequate, drivers seeking more fun will want the 290 horsepower GT model. All versions of the new Kia K5 handle remarkably well.
Let's help you make your mark.
Since this is a sport sedan comparison test, we have the sporty versions of the two top midsize sedans, the Kia K5 GT and the Honda Accord Sport. These sport versions have more performance, power and speed.
Let's help you make your mark.
The K5 is such a thorough overhaul of the Optima that Kia even changed the name. Say hello to the 2021 Kia K5. It's the brand's newest offering in the mid-sized sedan segment, and it replaces the now dead Kia Optima. 30 June 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.